This is Paul again, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We're out here tonight on a Sunday on an emergency call in Fairfield, Connecticut, because this customer has a main sewer line issue. We're going to go ahead and clear this sewer line for him, video camera inspect, after we high pressure water jet it and get this customer back in business. Stay tuned. We're back. We have a customer that has major root infestation in clay tile line. I want to show you what the roots look like before we jet it. As you can see, that is an 8-inch pipe right there. We're going to clear all those roots out and make sure that there's none there. Okay, we are back. We have successfully high pressure water jetted and derooted the sewer line. There is no roots in any joints, and now the customer is back in business. Thank you for checking out our video. You can look up our website at allthingsdrain.com.